How to remove green screen on CapCut PC. So let's get started. Firstly, start with the basics. Open CapCut on your PC, then click on Import to add the videos with the green screen to your project. Then simply drag the video to the timeline. After that, all you have to do is make sure that the green screen option video is on the top of your original video. So once you have done so, simply tap on the green screen video on the timeline. Then once you do so, go to the right hand editing menu, and there you must make sure that the video option is highlighted. After you do so, from the video option, simply locate the remove BG option available there and tap on it. From the remove BG, scroll down and there you will get to see Chrome key. Then simply tap on the chroma key feature. Use the color picker tool to click on the green area in your video. This will select the green screen color for removal. So here you can also adjust the subscribe option by editing its intensity and shadow. The shadow can help eliminate any leftover green tint around the edges as well. So after you do so, you can simply drag the subscribe button to the any edge or anywhere on your video. So here I'm keeping it in the corner so that my video looks pretty decent. So after you do so, here you can see, once satisfied, you can simply click on the export to save your video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.